What's going on? I just left MAHHA. I did not record any of it. I was there to just experience it, and it was a great time. Met a lot of great people. Some people who follow the channel and follow Hemlock Mountain, Scott and Steve, and some other people I met there. So many, I'm horrible with names, but it was great to meet everybody there, and it was great. But I did not record it because I wanted to just be there and enjoy it. But right now, I'm up the road about 20 minutes, and I am at Pine Grove Furnace State Park. Never been here, and I just pulled in, found the first parking lot, pulled in, and there's a little bit of history here. So we're gonna take a look at all this and just kind of enjoy it. I have not had breakfast yet. I've only had coffee and one Chips Ahoy cookie that somebody gave me. So this is, I believe, an old iron furnace from like the 1800s. Yeah, an iron furnace. This is pretty cool. Huge structure. Let's take a look at all this, and then I know there's some hiking trails. I gotta find a park office. I have no idea where anything is here. I don't have any signal to pull a map, so what we got here? An old door. Now it looks like this structure was put in after the fact. So there is a picture on a sign over there of what this once looked like. There's massive structure. All right, that's pretty cool. Let me see if I can find a map for this place, or park office, or some more information, or signal, and we'll go check some stuff out. So here's a sign. I'm gonna see if I can do this. This is a see-through sign, but it got the corners of the building, of the structure, etched out. I don't know if that's gonna work with the camera. It's pretty cool. You can see what it used to look like with that in the background. That's pretty cool. So that house there, that is the park office. That's pretty cool. They got a little museum for like the ironwork stuff in there. I just checked that out. Got a map, talked to the ranger for a minute. There is an AT museum here, which is that stone building that's right over there, but it does not open until noon. It's only 10 o'clock right now, and I don't know if I'll have time to go check that out or not. But I'm gonna come back down here, and the AT actually comes down right near the side of the museum, goes down that way. I'm gonna follow that for a little while, and it's gonna take me over to Fuller Lake, which the ranger just said is very nice, so I'll go check that out. All right, we will follow the AT here, which is very nice and paved. Not at all like the rockiness you'd expect in Pennsylvania. That's a nice little lake. There's a beach. See how far it goes. That was a, I don't know if I got that on the camera. It looked like a little blue heron. Yeah, there he goes. Right out there. Right past the goose. I'm gonna take up the map. I don't know if I can get over to the other side. We'll see. See what kind of hiking trails I can find. So right now I'm at Fuller Lake. That's this lake here. But if I follow the AT for a little ways, looks like I'm gonna split off onto a bike trail. That'll take me up to the larger Laurel Lake. I think I'm gonna try that. That is where the AT continues on, going north. I am going to stay on this. We'll see how far. About a quarter of the way up to that lake. This is bikes, hikers, and motor vehicles. So we'll see. Beautiful little creek we're walking along here. But it's starting to get cloudy. I don't think it's supposed to rain, but I've got nothing with me, so it looks like it's getting a little sketchy. I might turn around and head back. There's other trails to check out. I am about halfway to the lake down this road, and I saw this off on the side. Wanted to check this out. Now on the way back, there is a yellow trail part of the way that takes me in, and I think I'll take that. Almost there. There's this little side trail comes over. This might just be for the bike trail. I do see a parking lot over here. We're not far from the lake at all. Well, this is really cool. Take a walk down there in a second. Let's take a look from the bridge. There's a cabin. A lot of nice fishing spots along this creek, and I will find the name of the creek here in a second. All right, this is Mountain Creek, it's called. And it runs the length of Pine Grove Fern State Park. All right, up to the lake we go. All right, it took a couple minutes longer than I thought to get to the spot where I could see the lake, but here we are. Laurel Lake. This is a nice little lake. Much bigger than Fuller Lake. Oh, there's like a channel right here. That's pretty cool. I might have to come back down here one of these days with my kayak, hit up all these lakes and reservoirs. All right. I'm gonna start heading back. That's about all I got time to do is come down here and look at the lake. I gotta turn around and make that long walk back down to where I'm parked. And I gotta start heading home. Still about 3 hours, 2.5 hours from home. There is a pretty cool looking trail here. Natural hazards occur. So this looks like a pretty cool trail. The pole steeple trail. Looks like it's a little knob that you climb up to. Natural hazards exist at the rock outcroppings. I'm guessing loose rocks and things like, oh yes, snakes. Snakes. Do not have time for that today. Another day though. Pole steeple trail. Looks pretty cool. Okay. Back towards the car I go. Alright, so just over a tick from that parking lot. Just over a tick. So just over a mile from that parking lot. This is the Mountain Creek Trail. And there we go, there's a place. It goes that way, which is the way I want to go. But it picked up over by that bridge not far from the lake, and it's supposed to come this way, and there's supposed to be a bridge going across it. The only thing I could think was, what if I get over there, I get all the way down here, because I'm almost back to where the Appalachian Trail splits off, and that bridge is out. Because I didn't see anybody on this trail as I was walking by before. So I want to come by, just walk down to the creek, to that bridge, and see if my gamble would have paid off. Normally I wouldn't care, but all I've had to eat today is a cookie. So all right, I just looked at the map again. That bridge would be like another mile back. I don't have another 2 miles in me, so I have to go back and forth again. I'll just have to come back down here another time, check out more of this park. I just passed some people. I've turned around, I'm heading back the way I just came. And they were heading this way. And I swear I passed them out by that parking lot. So I'm guessing that bridge must be in place, or they're very good jumpers. They didn't look wet, so I don't think they forged it. All right, I am back to where I just split off this road. Looking at the map, it looks like it crosses the creek again, and it doesn't come back over where I thought. So I'd like to follow the trail, but again, I don't want to backtrack. It looks like it goes over and it does a loop over on the other side, but it doesn't connect back out to the road at any point. Gets close to it, but I'm just gonna head back to where I came. And with that, I'm gonna wrap this one up. Just checking out Pine Grove Furnace State Park. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna get back to the car and go get some food. I'm hungry. See you next.